wrong side. Today is an exploration day. We're gonna run up and see where the snow line's at. I'm here in a popular spot called the B. We're scoping out a campsite. Would like to do some adventure riding up here. I think today we're just chilling. Should be fun. It's always nice to just get out, not be stressed out. Just go for it. Hope you guys are doing well. Got some shooters here. Noise. Lots of shooting going on up here. Every single one of these valleys people shoot in. Here with Randy Giles today. We'll go shoot up this little trail right here. Oh man, it's so dry, I just totally spun out. It is really, really dry and loose. Well, looks like this is the end for now on this road. We're gonna go try hit something else. Go see where this goes. We saw some dude riding up in some trails up there on the ridge, but I'm not sure how to get up there. Here we go. Now we're talking. Here we go. See where this goes. It's bringing back memories of pacing my last ride. Hopefully there's not super gnarly switchbacks. That was the worst. Throw it in traction control. Oh boy. Woo. That was gnarly. Oh boy. Oh yeah. All right. First obstacle down. Woo! All right, here we go. Let's see what else is in store. I guess the only way to get good at doing those is to do them, right? They're so intimidating. It's kind of fun back here. Wonder where this even goes. Oh yeah. Oh crap. Oh crap. Yeah. Man, this is pretty gnarly. It's pretty fun. I thought this was going to turn into a kind of a lame ride. It was just going to be on the road. Woo, that turned out pretty dicey. This thing's like a little mountain goat. Somebody left their tent. Oh nice, we're on the upper road. 605. 605. I think that's one way to get around the gate, I guess. Yeah. Legally. The trail wasn't closed. I just started going and I'm like holding on and I'm like, ah!
I killed it. There was that, do you remember there was a tree root and then the big one? And I got 3/4 the way up there and it was starting to wheelie and it died.
Oh, I need to get a GoPro and put it right here.
Especially if I'm behind you. You're going to get some good bloopers.
Bloopers are cool things. That's what people want. When we started riding the road, I'm like, this is going to be the lamest freaking video. I'm not even going to make a video. And then we got on this trail, I'm like, okay.
Oh, yeah.
606. That one's closed.
Well, let's keep going up.
Maybe right here is a good spot.
Yeah, that's a pretty nasty glare coming off the water.
Yeah. Well, there's a dude right there. We could go up higher and try to get on that ridge over there.
I bet we can.
It's the end of the line. Snow. And yeah. But we're so close to the top. The top's right over there and you can see that road right there. That's going to take us over to where I want to camp. So now we know where the snow line is. Pretty slippy. There's a Great Salt Lake. Technically we got to get off this road onto a trail that's open. The one we came up was open. We don't want to be doing stuff we're not supposed to. It's all good. Seen a couple people up here. That valley. Pretty darn cool if you ask me. It's getting pretty chilly up here. Got my riding shirt and undershirt on. I'm getting a little cold. All right, this is our trail back down. All right, here's our trail. Let's do this. Yeah, this is cool. It's kind of hard to talk and ride at the same time. Trying to concentrate. It's definitely a skill. What's crazy is going down this, like some of these obstacles we've come up seem like no big deal. Utilize that engine. Keep traction. This sun is really rough through the trees. It's super bright in the eyes, making it hard to see anything. Man, I can't believe those razors got up in here. Need to go look at that gate. I thought there was like a little teeny motorcycle only gate that we got through. I'm trying to remember how we went up that. Just so tight. I'm just blown away. Those full-size razors, man. Oh yeah, that's what we came up. Did we come up this or this?
That, right?
Oh, okay, yeah.
Because that's supposed to be 605 is what came up.
Yeah. Do we want to go back down that or see where this goes?
About a minute, I think. It's what, 7:50? 10 minutes that way, see where it goes?
Yeah. Sounds good. All right, let's see where it goes. Come on. We're gonna go see where this trail goes. We didn't come up this one, but those razors came up this, so maybe we're gonna regret going down this. Oh yeah, this is definitely an easier way up, I think, than our original entry. Getting cold. This turned out to be a decent little ride. I was worried that it was going to be lame because we were going to be on the road the whole time. But this has turned out to be pretty great. Alright, let's see what happens here. Oh, this is pretty gnarly. That shelf would have been spooky to try to come up. That was a 2 foot, foot and a half. Stay up on that ledge.
This has got to be where they came up.
Yep.
So I bet it lets out.
It'll be interesting to see where this comes out at. We got some dudes down here. I gotta watch the road. It's real tempting to try to get a shot with the GoPro. You look away, almost wreck every single time. I recognize this from the map. There's figure 8 thing right here. Yeah, I'm a motocross racer. That's fun. Let's see. I don't know how to get out of here. We're not entirely sure how to get out of here, so we're gonna try this one. See where this goes. We figure it's probably gonna wind up in the same spot. Oh boy, that looks not good. Whoa, this looks dicey. Here we go. Don't look down. Oh man, I got the blood pumping. Oh, it's nice to get that sun out of the eyes. I'm having to keep my head tilted down. I apologize if this looks bad in the video, but I absolutely cannot see from the sun. Okay, I know where we're at now. Man, that sun is blinding. I gotta get better at turning right. Every time I've crashed, it's been on a right-hand turn. Man, it's just so loose. All right, home stretch. I rode this the other day. It's gonna be more of the same, big boulders. Sun, man. Whew. Watch him ride off into the sunset. You have to keep your helmet tilted down to keep the sun. Once it hits you, you can't see jack. I generally like to look further ahead, so this is really challenging because I'm having to. My visor is blocking my view to keep the sun out of my eyes, and I can only see what's right in front of me. It's just kind of weird. Is this that hill that dude was coming up? Oh, he was coming up over there. I think he was going down this stuff. Well, stick to the plan. Drove my Jeep up this when I was in my early 20s. It's pretty crazy. Had way too many people in it, but that turned out to be a good thing because I needed everybody to sit on the bumper to get through one of the obstacles up there. It's pretty steep. Locking it up. All right, we're back. Ooh, look at that taco. 2 tacos. Yeah, taco time. All right, guys. That was a lot of fun. Thanks for coming along. As always, this is HK Strong Side. Take it easy. I gotta scratch my head.
That was still pretty wet, huh?